So, on October 10th, 2021, I made a huge mistake, and it almost cost me my brand new PC. But before I dive into that, you may want to check out my original PC video. It's short, it's sweet, and it sure would help me a lot if you liked it. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get into the subject for today. It was an average Sunday morning when I decided to investigate the tower I'd bought recently. You know, take it apart, make sure it was clean, and marvel at the deal I got on this machine and its internal components. It was all a happy-go-lucky good time when suddenly I made a major blunder that permanently damaged vital components of the computer. I took out the expansion cards while the system was on, which I didn't notice at the time. This caused my computer to completely die. No post, no lights, no nothing. Just silence.
After I just recorded that shot, I actually punctured my finger a little here, and it's bleeding.
I immediately went to troubleshooting what I could, like the cable and the outlet. Through a process of elimination, I figured it might be the power supply just blowing a fuse. I mean, crazier things have happened. So I took it out for a test, and
I just ran a test. The PSU is working.
It worked. So I wanted to make sure nothing got disconnected.
So we're gonna just...
And dead. I had no other option to rule out. The logic board of my computer must have been fried, meaning $35 had just gone down the drain. But then I thought I could go looking for a donor tower. So after a bit of digging, I found the same model tower with the exact same logic board. It's just that the PSU was extremely noisy. Because of that, the whole entire tower was pitched. So all I had to do was swap components. And I did.
This thing is so full of dust that I'm about to sneeze just from sniffing it.
Then it came time to turn it on.
Uh-oh.
Okay, not too big of a problem. I've actually dealt with this before. HP's website just says the specific beep code means something might be disconnected. So, what did I forget?
What the hell is this? What is this? How did I not notice that? I seriously just removed all my RAM to figure out that was the problem. This cable was just plugged in wrong. I'm that stupid, apparently. I know I'm not supposed to install all my RAM at once, but honestly, I know every single one of these should work. Let's go! Let's go! I got it working, dude, I got it working, dude, I got it working.
Finally, all I had to do was put in the hard drive, USB card, and the graphics hardware.
We're in. We're good. Look at this. It's in widescreen. I really need to buy a widescreen monitor. I'm gonna miss this old beast, but sadly, the board is probably completely dead on it, so I can't really do much with it other than salvage the parts. It's a good thing we had that extra parts computer over there that I could steal these from, so we got really lucky there.
And now it's working again, at no cost to me. I even got 2 new RAM sticks to bolster this thing up to 32 gigs of RAM.
Look at that. Minecraft.
I'm so glad I can go back to using this thing for recording games, making videos, and, you know, all that other crazy BS. I assure you, after the traumatizing experience, I will never mistreat my beloved PC ever again. Or something like that.